I have ordered the cheapest car tester OBD scanner diagnostics tool from AliExpress, and the main goal was to get something which has actually a screen. I have never tested it. There is a kind of a bit of documentation, but it's not very complex, and it shows some features, but it's totally fine. And what I will do now, I will first time test it. Never tested, never actually used it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it seems like a very cheap quality of buttons. But if it does the job, then I will be happy with it. So let's test it. I have an old Volkswagen Polo. There is somewhere here at the OBD connector. Maybe it's upside down. So there is no contact added yet. The engine is not started, but we can already see that the tester it's working. So let me start the engine. Engine is started. The tester is very responsive. Let me check that with a simple voltage. It seems like the alternator is charging. It's very simple to use it. And it is starting to scan. It automatically finds some stuffs. It has some monitors. Actually, it's pretty easy to use it. There is no error codes, which is fine. And there is no DTC clearer, what I should test it. Let's use some vehicle information. Maybe that's a good indicator. Vehicle number, please wait. Okay, there is nothing. Please wait. We are waiting. Okay, not much of information. And let's check some live data. So that's pretty much accurate. My engine is running idle, and let's put it in parallel. It's even good to check sometimes the live data if the sensors are sending some data, but there is not too much of live data. Yeah, but there is, sorry, there are multiple pages where you can check your live data, so that's fine. Review DTC. Okay, view data streams. Okay, you can even log it, seems like. DTC library. Ah, okay, you can even add some codes to look up. Nice. So I don't have any specific error code at the moment what I could delete or clear out, but I'm pretty happy with this tester so far. And in the next video I will generate some error. I know already what to do, because my briefcase or glove case, it's supported with the battery, so I have to fix it, and in order to fix it I have to remove the airbag filter sensor, and then that generates an error over here, and I will try to clear it with that tester. So if you are interested in my next video, hit the like, subscribe, and see your comments below. Thank you. Bye. By the way, if you are looking for to purchase one of these tester, I will leave a link down below. There is no extra cost for you, so I can get some small commission from the sales. It's up to you. Thank you.